We're here today with Alicia from Greens Tapware. Alicia, with the amount of technology in the modern home today, where does that leave tapware?
Well, so we've seen a massive increase in the last 5 years with technology, and we've actually started to incorporate that into some of our tapware. We've actually got an example over here, so let me show you.
Please.
So this one here is the Galaxy Sync Mixer. So it's the first of its kind in the domestic home. So you'll see that there's an actual sensor at the top here. So what this does is you can actually set the temperature of the tap, leave it set, and you can just wave it on, wave off. So
That's clever.
that's a touch-free technology. So what that means is it's creates optimal hygiene.
Yes.
So if you've got dirty hands, you don't actually physically need to touch anything.
Right.
You can still twist it and turn it. It's got the dual spray, but it's actually battery operated. So you don't need.
Fail-safe.
Yes. So you don't need an electrician to install it. So that saves the customer on installing a plumber and electrician.
Yes.
But also the beauty with batteries is you can change it whenever battery. It'll tell you when the battery is due to die,
Yes.
and you can, if the battery does go, you can still physically use the tap. So it doesn't just solely rely on technology.
Yes.
So it just comes in a little battery pack, just so you can install it here. So it's not interfering with electrical and wire, so you won't have any issues of it malfunctioning.
Yes.
But yeah, this is just one of our taps that we're actually incorporating technology into. We're broadening the horizon with all our other taps and ranges, and we'll soon be incorporating a lot more taps with that as the technology progresses.
So tapware's certainly not being left behind in the
No,
modern
no,
home.
it's not. Hopefully we get some showers soon, so that would be pretty
Excellent.
cool.
Thank you for your time.